Today, let's talk about the McLaren reverse camera. This reverse camera can be used as a replacement or as a retrofit. It's designed for McLaren MP4-12C, 625C, 650S, and 675LT. The harness connects to the connector installed on all McLaren cars, so it can be plugged directly. In some car models, you will have a specific slot allocated for the camera. For models without that, you can either replace the spoiler with a camera-compatible version or make a hole on the original. If your vehicle only has a faulty camera or no reverse image display, simply replace the camera unit itself. No need to do anything else. If your vehicle doesn't have cameras configured in and you want to retrofit it, after you take care of the hardware side, you'll need to activate the reverse camera component. This can be done with MDS, Leonardo, or other McLaren professional diagnostics. Special note from McLaren MP4-12C. If your iris is the old one, the image will be reversed with the camera used for newer iris head units. To confirm, you can just send us a picture of the display. If the wrong camera is fitted, the output video will be mirrored.